RYOBI has an extensive lineup of lawnmowers to match just about any need and yard size, including 4 mowers in the 40-volt HP Brushless series. These 21-inch mowers are available in both push and self-propelled models and are loaded with premium features to ensure you get the runtime and power you need, with the convenience you can find only in a RYOBI cordless tool. These units give you the performance of premium gas mowers with advanced brushless motors and high-capacity 40-volt batteries that provide maximum performance and runtime. They start with just the push of a button. No gas, no oil, no pull cord. The 21-inch deck is lightweight, durable, resists corrosion, and is covered by a lifetime warranty. These mowers feature an easy lift bag that passes through the handles to quickly empty clippings, and when the job is done, the one-touch folding handles collapse in seconds, allowing you to store your mower vertically. Each mower comes with a 40-volt rapid charger, which charges your batteries 4 times faster. With additional features like superior 3-in-1 mulching, bagging, and side discharge capabilities, a single motion, 7-position height adjustment, and LED headlights, RYOBI 40-volt HP mowers are the obvious choice. Now let's talk about the individual options offered on this lineup. These are our 40-volt HP push mowers. They both include a 7.5 amp-hour battery that delivers up to 50 minutes of runtime. This push mower is equipped with RYOBI's cross-cut multi-blade system, which has 2 blades that work together for superior cutting performance. This technology is also available on one of our self-propelled models. Let's talk about those. These 40-volt HP models feature variable speed self-propelled technology and each include 2 6 amp-hour batteries that deliver up to 70 minutes of runtime. The rear-wheel drive propels the mower forward, making it easier to mow than ever. The top-of-the-line 40-volt HP mower takes self-propelled to the next level by using Smart Trek technology, giving you an extra step of variability as you easily adjust your speed using the intuitive paddle drive. This mower has 11-inch high wheels for added maneuverability and is also equipped with the same cross-cut multi-blade system that we talked about on the push mower. This technology gives you the ultimate mowing experience, cutting your grass into finer clippings, resulting in a cleaner, healthier-looking lawn. The 40-volt batteries that are included in these mowers are compatible with over 50 tools in the RYOBI 40-volt lineup. Best-in-class performance and innovative features are why RYOBI is the #1 cordless lawn and garden brand and the #1 mower brand. You can find these mowers and the entire 40-volt lineup exclusively at the Home Depot.